Since 1987, the Certified Automotive Parts Association, CAPA, has been delivering on its promise of ensuring consumers have access to high-quality automotive replacement parts by providing the means to identify viable, trusted alternatives to automaker-branded aftermarket replacement parts. And it all begins here at Intertek, one of the world's most respected scientific testing partners, as well as the exclusive licensee of the CAPA Certification program.
I've been in the collision repair industry for over 20 years, so I am very aware of the many aftermarket part options out there. That's why we prefer to use an independently produced aftermarket part that's CAPA certified. CAPA's comprehensive certification and testing program follows transparent standards and procedures. We don't have time to invest in attempting to use a part of unknown quality. CAPA certification eliminates the uncertainty and promotes efficiencies in our shop. In the shop, cycle times are critical. CAPA certified parts help us meet our goals, which ultimately are to return our customers' vehicles to them as quickly as we can without compromising safety or quality.
CAPA works to provide the collision repair industry with affordable aftermarket alternatives that don't sacrifice quality and safety. The availability of high-quality aftermarket parts is key to a competitive market. If automakers were the only source for replacement parts, then market competition is eliminated, and that's a monopoly. Part costs go up, part quality goes down, and availability becomes limited, all of which harms consumers.
The mission of CAPA is to ensure consumers have access to high-quality automotive replacement parts and services by identifying sustainable options at competitive prices. American consumers rely on having cost-effective options for everything they need, from generic drugs to store-branded canned goods, and that's why CAPA was created, as an independent, unbiased, nonprofit, fully transparent, and with no vested interest in the outcome, to help the industry to be able to easily identify and have confidence in CAPA certified replacement parts. We don't buy or sell parts. We identify the testing and inspection requirements for certification. Only after a part meets all the requirements will it become CAPA certified. That's when the manufacturer is allowed to put CAPA's certification mark, the yellow CAPA quality seal, on the part.
CAPA has engaged Intertek to oversee CAPA's testing requirements. Intertek is a global leader in quality assurance, testing, inspection, and certification solutions for over 130 years. Intertek tests and validates that aftermarket automotive parts meet CAPA's quality standards for certification. The availability of CAPA-certified parts ensures consumers have access to high-quality automotive replacement parts.
Intertek is a leading total quality assurance provider to industries worldwide. Through our network of more than 1,000 laboratories and offices in over 100 countries, we support product design, development, and market entry for the world's leading brands. Back in the early 1990s, Intertek was hired by CAPA to validate that CAPA's testing requirements were being met by part manufacturers. We had the laboratories and the engineering expertise to do just that, and to also help CAPA develop and grow its certification programs. Over the last 30 years, I'm proud to say that we've been an integral part of CAPA's mission to develop those quality, safety, and reliability standards and the associated testing programs for aftermarket parts. We help CAPA develop standards covering everything from bumpers, bumper covers, lighting parts, and sensors. Each year, we inspect literally thousands of production parts at factories around the world, fitting them on cars and trucks. We make sure CAPA parts are laboratory tested for quality, reliability, and safety criteria.
It is impossible to look at a part which on the surface may appear just like the automaker branded part and say that's a high quality alternative part. That's where CAPA comes in. It sets the testing requirements through its standards. If a part meets all the CAPA requirements, all you have to do is look for the CAPA quality seal.
Easily recognizable with this bright yellow distinctive quality seal, CAPA certified parts are equivalent in fit, function, and quality to the automaker branded parts, often at a lower price point. To date, more than 174 million replacement parts have earned CAPA certification, making it one of the most widely utilized voluntary certification programs in the world.
When a customer comes to my shop for repairs, they've already been through a lot. They've been in a collision and may still be recovering from that. Their lives have already been disrupted. They may not have another vehicle to use. The sooner I can get their vehicle repaired, the sooner it will help them get their lives back. When searching for repair parts, the automaker branded parts are not always available or may be on back order. Having access to safe, high-quality CAPA certified parts gives me the confidence in the parts I am using to repair the vehicle properly and in a timely fashion. CAPA certifications provide consumers and auto body shops with reliable, objective means to identify quality replacement parts.
CAPA has certified millions of parts. It is an integral part of the collision repair ecosystem, putting countless families, neighbors, friends, and community members safely back on the road. That's our legacy, and both CAPA and Intertek are committed to continuing it.
CAPA's comprehensive standards, combined with Intertek's testing and validation of those standards, benefits everyone in the supply chain, mitigating risk and building trust with insurers, repairers, and consumers. For peace of mind, ask for CAPA certified parts for your vehicle repairs. And remember, if it doesn't have the CAPA quality seal, it's not a CAPA certified aftermarket part. For more information, go to capacertified.org.